You have to show them how to do things. What I'm tell you? Yeah, make it something authentic. Everybody don't know about them, man. You have video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's a straight voice over.
If I catch something there. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Come along here. No, let me see this. Hey guys. Oh, okay. Come again. Ready? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Come along. Here I plan to share my experience, my creativity.
I know you just looking like camera dead, so thank you. I don't know, maybe I have to just
catch
go
you next
to
step, you know, and catch you back.
Yeah man, it's a roll, so.
Come back again, then.
No.
Me have to go, so come.
No, it's a... Right, this thing, I have to find 1 second. Don't show me like I know, just act natural thing. Just act like you do something and then turn around and smile.
Yeah, video?
Mm-hmm. Then just turn around and smile. You can't.
Alright, stop.
You can't borrow it today. You put in chicken back. Chicken foot and chicken.
Okay. Welcome to all of my peeps, to all my dear one subscribers. Big up on yourself. Thanks for the continuous support. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you stick around and be a subscriber. Anyway, guys, today I'm gonna cook some soup. Jamaican good Saturday soup. Anyway, you know what? I hate chicken neck. You come like you read me mind. Me have some curry goat season up. We're gonna cook curry goat. Subscribe.